Hello Year 4, welcome to today's maths video. Today we're going to be looking at the bar model, also known as the part whole. Having a look at your example, we know that in our bar model, the number at the top is the biggest number, and then the two numbers at the bottom are what add together to make that biggest number. On this activity, you've already been given the number sentences with the numbers in them, and then you've also been given the answers. All we need to do today is put these into the bar model so we know that we're using them correctly. So question number 1, we've got a tracksuit top cost £12.75 and matching tracksuit bottoms cost £9.50. How much does the tracksuit cost altogether? This word altogether is really important in this number sentence because it tells me that I'm adding together. Altogether, so I've got £12.75, that's part of my whole, and I'm adding together £9.50. So I know that my answer is going to go at the top of my bar model. The answer is £22.25. So at the top of my bar model, I should have £22.25. Question number 2. In 1 month, 382 adults and 65 children stayed in a hotel. How many people stayed at the hotel altogether? Again, that word altogether tells me that I'm going to be adding up. So I've got 382. I'm adding on the 65 children. Altogether, here I've got my answer is 447. So at the top of my bar, I'm going to write my 447. Question number 3. A car park has room for 275 cars. 129 cars are parked in the car park. How many spaces are left? So on this one, I know that I'm taking away. I want to work out how many I've got left. So my biggest number, 275, needs to go at the top. When I subtract, that's what I start with. So I'm going to put 275 at the top of my bar. I'm going to take away the 129 cars that I've already got in the car park, and then whatever I'm left with is going to be the missing number down here. So I know that my answer is 146 spaces. So 146 goes in there. Question number 4. Scylla wants to buy a new car for £6,450. She has £4,880 in her savings account. How much more money does she need to save? So again, I know that I'm taking away because I've got the total. This is how much the car costs. So that's going to go in the top of my bar up here. 6,450. She's already got part of that, so I'm going to put that down here. 4,880. So I want to work out what the missing part is. To do that, 6,450, take away 4,880. I've already got my answer. The answer is 1,570, which is the missing part to make up my total, 1,570, like this. Question number 5. Daniel planned to cycle 364 miles in 1 week. On the first day, he cycled 72 miles. How much further did he have to go? So again, I know I've got part of it. I need to know how much further he has to go to get to his total. The 364 miles is my total, so that goes at the top. And I'm taking away what he's already done. He's already done 72 miles. 364, take away 72. My answer is 292, which can then go into my missing part down here. And finally, question number 6. Daniel is 151 centimetres tall. His friend's height is 138 centimetres. What is the difference in their height? The word difference in this number sentence is really important because that tells me that I'm taking away. When we find the difference, we subtract. So when I subtract, again, I start with my biggest number. In this number sentence so far, 151 centimetres is the biggest number. So I've got 151 centimetres. I'm taking away 138 centimetres. 151 take away 138 gives me my answer. The answer is 13. So I put 13 in the blank space there. There we go. Hopefully you've marked your answers. Make sure you tweet us or email us to let us know how you did.